Welcome to the second installment of how to use slipdex to create an ad for online classifieds. In the first section we created our ad. This section we will start discussing how to use your user control panel. Once you create your ad, you're automatically forwarded to your user control panel. You'll note that there is an encrypted URL at the top of the screen. That gets emailed to you with the email address that you inputted at the previous screen. That way you can always keep track of your ad. If this is your master ad, which every new ad that you make is considered a master ad, the bookmark your master ad now link appears. We highly suggest doing that. That way you can refer back to your master ad. All future ads can be made using your master ad, so instead of creating a user account, you can actually just use your master ad control panel in order to access all the features. You can see that it welcomes you right to the control panel. It gives you what your master ad was, which was Craigslist. It's a 2001 Chevy Blazer. It gives you your ad ID, and it also gives you options to edit your ad and to create a new ad. So from here we're just going to go ahead and edit our ad really quick by clicking the link. It'll take us back to a update form. As you can see, all of the information is in here, and all we want to do right now is just go ahead and add some options to our content. It's that simple. You can see that your images are all stored. You can change images or update the images simply by clicking your browse and selecting a new image. We're going to click submit to submit our changes. The system is going to tell us that we have submitted some changes, and it forwards us back to the control panel. And as you can see, everything is still intact. You can come right here, and this is your basic ads. This is the ads that do not include any special information for an auto or an apartment. So in this particular case, we simply pull up the generic ad, and it shows it graphically for us right there. This is the more advanced option for an auto ad, and if we click this option, this will automatically forward us to a more complex ad that gives all the information, including all of the options that we chose, additional information. It even allows us to get a Carfax report all right from our ad. Once we're satisfied with the ad, what we'll do is we'll click the code link, and what that will do is it'll automatically forward us to the code grabbing screen. Now you'll notice when this populates that all of our code is right here. This whole big block of code is what we are going to place in our ad. So there's a couple different ways that we can grab this code. First, if we just click inside, it highlights everything, and then we can go ahead and we can press Control-C on our keyboard, and that will automatically copy the code. Or we can right click on our mouse, select copy, and it's ready to go. Then what we would do is we would go over to Craigslist, eBay, or Backpage, and we just go ahead and paste that information into the proper form field and just continue with the directions for that particular site. All that being said, that's about as easy as it can get. Now, a couple of the advanced features is slipdex tracking. This is actually using a mixed map ad code, which we'll address in a different video. But this will give us all the last 200 visitors to slipdex ads, and you can see all over the country, and simply by clicking one of these we can actually grab location information for each user that's actually visited our ads. We can also go right from here to create a new ad. So if we create a new ad, it'll kick us back over to the form, and you'll notice that everything is basically filled out for us already except for the new information for the new kind of ad that we want to make. So what we'll go ahead here is we'll just make a generic ad, and we'll just select the car for sale number 2 template. We'll come over here and we'll make second car for sale as our title. You'll notice that it leaves all the information intact. And we just have to fill in the new content information, which will say this is our second test car. We'll go ahead, we'll still upload an image. We'll just grab one image here. and we're going to go ahead and put in a price of $5,000. Oh, $50,000. $5,000. We'll click submit. That will kick us over to the updating page, and then it will kick us automatically over to our control panel again. Now you'll notice when we go back to the control panel that it automatically goes back to the master ad. However, if we come right down here for the multiple ad lister, we can actually select second car, click go, and that'll take us to our second ad. Now you'll notice that on the second ad it does not have the master bookmark there anymore. Mainly because we advise you to only use your master ad to create additional ads. You can also create additional ads from any other ad that you create, but then you're just going to get confused. Right here we can go ahead and view our ad again. And this will be a slightly different ad using only one image in a different template, as you can see. We'll grab the code the same exact way just by clicking the code link. You'll notice when we come over to the control panel that the code box is considerably smaller, a lot less code involved in that one, but we'll copy and paste the code the exact same way. We hope you enjoyed the first installment of how to use your slipdex control panel. We will be addressing some of the more advanced features in later tutorials, including how to use mixmap in conjunction with slipdex and how to manage and maintain multiple ads using one master ad. Again, if you have any questions, please email us at info@slipdex.com or on any page of the website, just click the contact link. Thank you.